Well, hello. Today we're gonna make some homemade corn tortillas. And the first thing that we need to know is what kind of mix do we need to buy. I have this kind here. It's called Masa. It's from Quaker. But the one that I like to use the most is Maseca, which is M-A-S-E-C-A, Maseca. And you can find that at your grocery stores. That's my favorite. That's the one we used in Mexico when we were small. But this one, see, you can make the tamales or the gorditas. But we're gonna make corn tortillas today. Say hi to some of our friends. Mike, I know you're watching me. I'm home. I don't want to feel like I can't do anything, so I'm gonna make a tortilla. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna send it, Mike. I say hi to IG, Liza, and to everybody for being so nice. Oh, the tortilla. It's not burnt. It's getting ready. But yeah, shout out to all of you. I have my compression socks on. One of the things that we're gonna need to make some corn tortillas is to get this little thing. It's called a Tortillera, Tortilla Maker, and they sell them in Mexico for $9. We got this one for $9. So it's basically this little handle that you open up here. Once you put the mix, you have a little ball, you put it here, and then you bring it down and you press it, and then you get your tortilla, and then you cook it. But we need a plastic cut to this size, so we gotta get a little plastic and then cut it about right here. And this is how we make homemade tortillas. We've been making it, I guess, since we were little in Mexico, and then now we came to the US, and we love the corn tortillas better than the ones you buy at the store. So there it is. So you open it like this, put the little ball there, then you put this down, then you go like this, press it, and you open it, then you peel this, and then you get your tortilla, and then you cook it. But we're gonna go step by step on this. First thing we want to do is to warm some water so that we can do our mix. And then after the water is warm, we're not gonna boil it. We're just gonna kind of warm it before it gets to a boiling point, because then it would be too hot. Well, if it gets too hot, just add a little bit more of cold water to mix it, to be able to work with it while you're mixing nuestras tortillas. We're gonna be making our corn tortillas homemade. So here we have our water already, and now we have our mixture. So we're gonna pour it in here, and then we're gonna start mixing our dough. Así que, well, follow me. Okay, so vamos a empezar con nuestra mezcla. Gonna pour it in here. Start with our mix. Don't do so much. And now we're gonna start mixing it. We put some of this warm water in there, and try not to put a lot. Trate de no poner mucho. Y usted va sintiendo. You're gonna be feeling it. And usually corn tortillas, they don't take that long to make, and the taste for homemade tortillas is so much better, so much healthy. No toma mucho hacer nuestras tortillas de maíz en casa. Saben más ricas hechas en casa y son más saludables. Ya casi está quedando nuestra masa. It's almost ready here. So start putting just a little bit like that. So it's almost ready. And then Of course, you need to wash your hands very good before you did this. I washed mine 3 times with soap, and then so this is ready. And this is the real corn tortillas. This mixture is made of corn, as you can see here. Corn tortilla mix, mezcla de maíz para tortillas. So once we have it here, ya cuando tenemos esto, empezamos a hacer nuestras bolitas. Start making our little balls like this. That's one. Can't wait to taste these tortillas. Ya no tarda mucho para hacer estas tortillas. Así que espero que puedan hacerlo. Hope you guys can try this at home. Go buy your mixture. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. Just buy that mix, water, and you need like a grill to cook them. And we'll show you. Don't make them that big. You know, I'll show you. Get a close up right here. That's what you want. And it is so quick to do. You could be cooking your favorite dish while you're doing this. You go stir, come back, make another ball, and then by the time it's almost done, you start cooking your tortillas, and it's gonna be so fresh. Así que puedes estar cocinando tu guiso principal y luego vienes, haces una bolita y así sucesivamente. Quizás el guiso salga primero, pero ya para entonces ya tienes tus tortillas y ya van a estar cocinando. Así que esta va a quedar un poco chica. That's the little one. And that's it. So we're going to place this baby on the fire. And this is where our tortilla goes while it's cooking. So we're going to put that on the fire. Vamos a poner esta cosa sobre el fuego. Vamos a empezar que se empiece a calentar y empezamos a poner nuestras bolitas aquí. We'll start putting our balls here. And then we'll start making our tortillas. And then I'll be showing you the process. Now we're ready. So what we do, we open up a little plastic. Abrimos nuestro plástico. Tomamos una bolita. We put it right in the middle. Lo ponemos ahí en medio. En medio de esta cosa aquí. Aplanamos un poquito. Just so it doesn't move. Para que no se mueva. Y luego hacemos esto. Y le damos despacio. Go slow. Look at it. You want a little bit bigger. Right there. And then what you do. Lo que hacemos. We'll peel this slowly. And then you go like this. And there you have your tortilla. We bring our tortilla. We got it here. We can do this. See, you can do this. Just put it here. And this thing is almost ready. Así que esta cosa ya está casi lista. Traemos nuestra tortilla. And we put it right there. So now we're gonna wait. You'll be able to tell without burning it. You'll be able to tell how right here starts getting enough for you to kind of do this. See, it's not ready because it's still sticking to the skillet. So, si todavía se le pega, usted se va a mirar, ahí se está levantando. Puedes hacer esto, pero si se pega, see, you can almost do that now. Once you're ready to do that, let it a little bit there. We should only turn it like 3 times. And if it's perfect on this is the first time, and then we put it on this time, and then once we go back, and then you just barely press on it, it'll start going up. If it does that, that's a perfect tortilla. I'm gonna see if I can get it. I don't think I can, but I'll try. So, see how nice it looks? So now we cook that. Make sure that the bottom is well cooked, and just keep an eye until you get the hang of it. And if it gets too hot, then you can just turn it down. Lo que vamos a hacer es que usted puede estar viendo si se le está quemando, pues le va bajando un poquito hasta que la tenga perfectamente donde usted la quiera. Vamos a tratar de voltearla solamente 3 veces, la que acabamos de hacer, y ahorita vamos a cocinar esa. A la tercera, que es la última, le aplanamos un poquito así y debe empezar a esponjarse si es una tortilla perfecta. Voy a tratar de hacerlo, pero no creo que voy a poder. I don't think I'll be able, but I'll see if I can get the perfect tortilla. And you can do this to look if it's cooked. That's a little bit more. And then you can finish cooking this on the third one. So let's see if we can get it to go up. So we got to do this. And there it goes. We're making the perfect tortilla. There you go. Ahí está. Estamos haciendo una tortilla perfecta. Once you do this, you do that. Perfect tortilla. Perfecta. And here it is. Your first corn tortilla. ¡Woohoo! Nuestra primer tortilla de maíz. Perfecta. Vamos a seguir haciendo, cocinándolas, terminando las demás. Trate de ponerlas and cover them up with something so they stay warm. This is what we put them on. One of these babies here. Just put them all while they're cooking. Put them in there. And here's another perfect tortilla. See? We have that expanded. So we put it back here with the other one. And we continue. Another little ball here. Let's put it in there. Let's peel that. Move it. That thing is ready. This one is getting ready. See, this one is already getting up. So once it gives you an opportunity, chance, flip it. Put another one and get it ready here. And then you'll be an expert. Mientras esperamos a que esa se esté calentando y la estamos viendo, podemos poner otra bolita, alistarla, ya está lista. Y ahí estamos. There we are. Así que la damos 3 veces, ya la cocimos la de arriba, estamos cocinando la segunda, la de abajo. A la tercera la volteamos y empezamos a apretarle para que empiece a expandirse. Y la podemos chequear, está un poquito caliente, le bajamos un poco el comal. Y ahí está, there you go. Yes, it's going up. And there you have it. A fluffy tortilla. Perfect. So what you want to do is put the first one there, and while it cooks, get another one. Mientras está cocinando esa, prepara otra, póngala en medio, put it right in the middle. And by the time you do this, you should be ready for the first flip. Almost, see? It's coming up. Nos quedan 3 more. And let me show you what we've done so far. So, here we are. See how warm they are? Woohoo! Those are homemade corn tortillas. The taste is so good. Esas son las tortillas hechas en casa. No se puede comparar con las que uno compra. Estas mejor, son las mejores. So vamos a chequear. See cómo viene. See how this one is. A little bit more, just a tiny little bit more. Flip it around. Wait a little bit. And see if it'll get spongy. If it go up. Okay. Wait a little bit. Then we do this. And there she is. Don't press so hard on it. It should almost give it to you. See how big it does. See how fluffy it is. That's perfect tortilla. So we've been having the perfect tortillas this morning. So do this. Put it in. Get another one ready. So ya solamente nos quedan 3 más. Y ya listos. Almost ready. Casi lista. So we got our temperature set perfectly now. They're not burning, they're not. So you gotta play with it. You gotta play until you get it to the right. And it gives you enough time to do everything. Once you get it, you'll be the perfect tortilla maker. And open up your own business. Sell homemade tortillas. Make a lot of money. And yeah, well, you'll make a lot of dough. Yeah. If you don't make money. And this is the last tortilla. So we turn it off, la apagamos, esta es nuestra última tortilla. Y antes ya están todas listas. Before you do that, you take your little plastic and make sure you wash it off. Wash it and then just put it back in there. I hope you enjoy your homemade tortillas. They are ready. And so espero que les hayan gustado sus tortillas hechas en casa. Voy a probar una porque just gonna try one. Very, very good. Thank you for watching. Muchas gracias por mirar este canal. Por favor, comenten si tienen alguna otra cosa que quieran aprender de comida mexicana. Please let me know if you want to learn something else about Mexican food. Comment below, subscribe, suscríbanse a mi canal y muchas gracias.